Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the Once Human game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application on your PC, and once you open it up, if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with your email address or your username and your password. After logging in, you will be taken into the Steam store page. From here, just click on the search box and then type in Once Human and start your search. Once you find the game, just click on it and you will now be taken into the game page. From here, just scroll down and you will now see the Add to Library button. Just click on this option and you will now be told that the game is now available in your Steam library. You can click on OK and then click on the library option. Now from here, click on Once Human and you will now see the install button. Just tap on the install button and now you can choose your directory and click on install. Now accept all the terms and conditions, and this will now begin the download and installation of the Once Human game on your PC. Wait until the download and installation is completed, and you will then find the shortcut on your desktop which you can use to start playing your game. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Once Human game on your PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.